Hello everyone, this is Accar TechUg as usual. So into this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get to update your Samsung Galaxy operating system. It's always good to have an updated operating system because it helps a lot on protecting your phone from malwares, or even, it gives you a new interface that is good to work with whenever you get to update your phone's operating system. So let me show you how you can get to update your Samsung Galaxy operating system. So to do this, just get over here to the settings, get to the settings over here, and you're gonna have to scroll all the way down over here, then get to tap on system update. So get over here and tap on download and update. So right now, as you see, it's checking for updates. Let's see whether there are some updates of the software. So as you see, everything is up to date. So I don't need to worry about anything because everything is up to date. So if you just need to come here and get to check out whether there is any update and get to download it onto your phone so that your software is up to date. Thank you.